Samsung has exploded higher plus 8.97% to $322,000, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Tuesday, June 9th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Markets are sending mixed signals today as investors weigh competing narratives. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.30% at $7,405.73. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. NASDAQ 100 climbed plus 1.58% to $29,414. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market today. S&P 500, NASDAQ rally as chip stocks rebound, cryptorank. Dow Jones is little changed, hovering near $50,786. Equity markets are responding to reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. DAX edged higher plus 0.76% to $24,804. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 slipped minus 0.28% to $10,344. Equity markets are responding to reports that Fed risks fueling a stock bubble by overlooking ARA-driven inflation, BCA. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged plus 8.97% to $322,000. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. ASML surged plus 6.54% to $1,749.04 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that SK Hynix places record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production, Tom's Hardware. TSMC climbed plus 2.80% to $426.80. Equity markets are responding to reports that TSMC's $165 billion Arizona Gigafab, Reshaping Us Chips, 2026, tech-insider.org. Apple dropped sharply minus 1.89% to $301.54. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Apple stock rises after Q2 earnings top estimates on strong iPhone, China sales, Yahoo Finance. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Fed risks fueling a stock bubble by overlooking ARA-driven inflation, BCA. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Equity markets are responding to reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dropped sharply to $92.27 per barrel, down 2.1% on the session. The move follows reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. WTI crude dropped sharply to $88.95 per barrel, down 2.57% on the session. The move follows reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Natural gas edged higher to $3.18, up 1.08% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold ticked up to $4,353.70 per troy ounce, up 0.41% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold's safe haven role questioned as prices slide sharply, MSN. Let us give you our near-term view on Samsung. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Samsung sits around $341,320. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.37% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.4% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.18, losing 0.09% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to Yardeni Wei's SpaceX IPO viability as trillion-dollar listings loom. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. A quick like takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. We genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe for daily coverage across every major market. Tell us in the comments what you are watching most closely right now. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.